Hi, I just wanted to talk to you today and show you how to make sausage rolls. Fantastic party staple food. So easy to make and it's really good time-wise because you can make them, cook them, chuck them in the freezer, and it just means it's one less thing that you need to do just before the party. You just take them out to frost them and then reheat them in your oven. It's so easy to make your own. So yeah, I thought I'd just quickly show you how to do it. First of all, what you need some sausage mince. I get the 500 gram roll, and then I also mix it with 500 grams of beef mince. So basically match the same quantity of sausage mince with beef mince. I've chopped up an onion and 1.5 carrots grated. And the secret ingredient is, sorry, I did grate this a little while ago. This is apple. Just a medium-sized apple. Peel the skin off and put it in. It just gives a bit of a sweetness to it. It's really delicious. So I'm just going to mix everything in my bowl. Okay, I've just mixed my mixture. Looks very attractive. And I've got my pastry sheets. So just to get the standard ones, take your first. Now I took these out of the freezer maybe 20 minutes ago or so. I'll keep the blue paper down the bottom. Underneath, chop it in half, and then just grab your mixture, put it in the middle, Okay, then you just fold it all one part on top of each other. And I just put it to the side like that. Now, you could easily just freeze it like this, uncooked if you wanted. I always keep it on the seam side down just so it sort of holds itself together. And then, depends how small you want it. I just start chopping it in the middle, and I usually do 3. I usually get 3 on each half, so 6 altogether. This one as well. You need a good. Okay, so I'm just going to put. Got my tray lined with baking paper, so just put on the baking tray. And then I've just got a mixture. This is just an egg. Usually it's just an egg yolk mixed with a bit of water. I've just done the egg because I can't be bothered. So just sort of brush it across. This will have it have a nice golden colour. And then you don't have to do this, but I've just got some sesame seeds. Sesame seeds or poppy seeds are always really nice. So just sprinkle them across the top. And then put them in the oven until they're nice and brown. And then once they're done, let them cool down and put them in a bag and put them in your freezer. I just want to share with you another idea with sausage rolls. One really cool thing that you can do is use a cookie cutter and cut out your pastry and kind of make like little sausage roll pies. It's a really cool thing to do, especially if you're doing a whole themed party, say you're doing a Minnie Mouse party. You know, if you're already doing your Minnie Mouse cookies, then you've already got the cutter, so, or a train party, you've got doing train cookies, do some train sausage rolls. So I'll show you how to use the cutter. Okay, grab your cookie cutter and stamp out 2 pastries. You will end up with a bit of leftover pastry doing it this way, but oh well. It's the price you pay. Add some of your sausage roll mix in the middle. Might do a little bit in the ears as well. It's best to sort of pick something that has a decent shape. You know, you don't want sort of a really intricate cookie cutter because it'll be hard to sort of stick it in. You want to just sort of moisten the edges around the pastry and then stick the pastry on top and just seal around the edges. Get rid of any that's squeezed out. You sort of will learn as you go as to how much you can, you know, how much you can fill these up. You may need to take a little bit out. Okay, and then as with the last one, just want to show you my cooked sausage rolls straight out of the oven. Here's my little Mickey Mouse one. Looks pretty cute. I mean, I guess if you were thinking you could have maybe put something on top of the pastry, you know, 2 raisins or 2 little currants or something for the face. I didn't really think that far ahead, but yeah, yum, delicious. Just wait for them to cool down, put them in a plastic bag and put them in the freezer. Yum.